In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create more clickable thumbnails. So to do that, we're going to use the platform NovoAds AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, you need to go to the image section. And here, we're going to use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we have to use the following prompt. And now here, where it says title, we need to write the title of our video. So for example, let's put Minecraft gameplay with my friends. And now in the text overlay, we have to write the text that we want to appear here. So let's put the best game, for example. Now, in reference image, I'm not going to upload a reference image, but actually I recommend you to do it. So now let's erase this. And now we just have to click here. Perfect. Now we have to wait more or less 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the result. And as you can see, these thumbnails are very clickable. So if you like it, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. This if you are a new user. So well, see you in the next video.